Welcome to the Axel, not Daddy, picking lettuce with my backhoe and dump truck right here. And that's the lettuce. You know which one's lettuce? Probably don't. That one kale, and that one mint, that one lettuce. This is called lettuce. Good lettuce from our garden. Pick lettuce leaves right there. And then with the blueberry mouse. And then Backy the backhoe. Remember him? The one with the with big tonka. And then we are going to eat them into a salad. Get that part out. Then we're going to eat them into a salad. Chop them up into a salad. Lettuce missing, lettuce missing. You're looking right at the lettuce. And I'm going to chomp it. Got a piece of lettuce. Look. Oh, it fell. That was good. That is good lettuce. I'll take that. Thanks, lettuce. We need more leaves like this. In my mouth are lettuce. That's all lettuce. Daddy! This is lettuce, kids. Oh, I accidentally got some mint. Well, that's good too. I like to eat it. Caterpillar. Look at the caterpillar. That's a caterpillar. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, I've got a bunch of lettuce. This is a bunch. And I'm gonna load it in. Lettuce and into that's the wrong way back. Oh. In. Now ready for another load. And I'm going to probably bite that. Never pick too much though. Bite that and get it off. Put it in. And I'm going to never pull too hard on the lettuce. Never just go like that. Then it might break the plant. Like about 15 leaves. Bye, kids. Bye, kids. Bye, kids. This is how Backy says goodbye. Nom. You probably remember him with the jaws.
Hey, Axel, I want to show what I built. What is it? It's built. The glass. Look at this.
Wow!
It went back out.
Wow, look at this. Look what you built.
Yeah? It's cool. Oh, up. Okay, I'll turn a little bit. Okay. And it unconnects this too.
It unconnects. Then what happens?
And then the train starts going this way.
Wow, all the way in a circle?
This is my car carrier, and it's carrying cars.
Oh, okay. Now it's full.
Hey, 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 hey. My name is Case.